Hi children, welcome back to the geography class. Today we are going to start the second chapter. The name of the chapter is In Search of the Source of Wind. Like the name implies, this is a lesson about wind. Here we will discuss factors like different types of wind, their formation and effects. Let's learn more about wind. The variations in the atmospheric pressure are the basic reason for wind. We know that atmospheric pressure is the weight of atmospheric air. Let's look into the variations behind atmospheric pressure. Factors like altitude, temperature, and humidity influence the atmospheric pressure. First one, altitude. Altitude is an important factor influencing the atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure decreases with altitude. The pressure decreases at the rate of 1 millibar per an altitude of 10 meters. As one goes up, there is a decrease in atmospheric pressure due to the rarefaction of air with altitude. That means the atmospheric pressure and the altitude are inversely proportional. Next one, temperature and atmospheric pressure. Like any other object, air also expands when it gets heated. The expanded air is less dense and hence it ascends. This leads to the lowering of atmospheric pressure. The ascending air spreads to the sides and it starts cooling. On cooling, it becomes dense and descends. As a result, the atmospheric pressure increases. The atmospheric pressure decreases as the temperature increases and vice versa. So we can say the temperature and atmospheric pressure are inversely proportional like the atmospheric pressure and altitude. Next one, humidity and atmospheric pressure. Humidity refers to the quantity of water present in the atmosphere. If the quantity of water vapor is more in a unit volume of air, then naturally the atmospheric pressure will be less. Humidity and atmospheric pressure are inversely proportional. Hope you have understood that altitude, temperature, and humidity experienced in a region influence the atmospheric pressure. If the atmospheric pressure of an area is higher than that of the surrounding regions, it can be designated as high pressure. Then what may be the low pressure? If the atmospheric pressure of an area is less than that of the surrounding regions, it can be designated as low pressure. Next topic is isobars. You have learned about isotherms in the previous classes. Yes, you know that isotherms are the imaginary lines joining places having the same atmospheric temperature. Similarly, isobars are the imaginary lines joining places having the same atmospheric pressure. We can easily understand the distribution of the atmospheric pressure of any region by observing the isobars. Let's conclude today's class. What are things we learned today? Yes, it's about atmospheric pressure, variations in atmospheric pressure due to the factors like temperature, humidity, and altitude, difference between high pressure and low pressure area, and isobars. Hope all of you understood these topics. We will meet in the next class with the continuation of this chapter.